Something huge is happening behind the scenes. Today, I'll show you how the US is planning to reduce its massive debt without paying a single dollar back. The national debt is now over $37 trillion. No country in history has ever repaid debt at this scale. So instead of paying it back, governments use one hidden technique: they change the value of money. The same strategy was used in 1933 and again in the 1970s. And now the US is preparing to do it again, but this time using Bitcoin, gold, and a digital accounting trick. This video will show you step by step how the reset works, and how you can protect yourself before it hits. In 1933, the US government revalued gold by nearly 70% overnight. Anyone holding cash lost purchasing power instantly. The same trick was used in 1971. The dollar was detached from gold, causing inflation to explode. Ordinary people paid the price, not the government. Today, the US is deeper in debt than ever before. Interest alone is more than $1 trillion per year. A number so big the system cannot handle it anymore. So the government is preparing a new strategy: revalue Bitcoin on their balance sheet, and revalue gold to its true price. This move alone could reduce trillions of debt instantly, without paying anything back. But the side effect is dangerous: the dollar will fall, and the middle class will suffer the most. Here's the shocking truth: the government doesn't plan to print more money. Instead, they manipulate digital assets and gold reserves to erase debt quietly. And very few people know about it. The new plan is simple but powerful: revalue gold to its real market price, record it on the federal balance sheet, and suddenly the debt looks smaller. Almost magically. Next, Bitcoin enters the picture. They plan to declare it as a reserve asset. Its current market value is small compared to the trillions of debt, but once recognized officially, it could cover billions instantly. This is why savvy investors are buying gold and Bitcoin now. The government can't prevent people from protecting themselves, but if you wait too long, it may be too late. Once gold and Bitcoin are officially revalued, the dollar's buying power will drop. Prices for everyday items could rise overnight. People who hold only cash will feel the blow the most. This is not theory. History repeats itself. And now, the scale is massive: trillions of dollars at stake, and the middle class will pay the price. So, what can you do? Diversify your savings. Don't rely only on cash. Consider gold, digital currencies, or other assets that cannot be erased by accounting tricks. Smart people are already moving their wealth quietly. Governments don't announce these moves publicly, they happen in silence. You have to act before it's too late. In the next section, we'll reveal exactly how this reset will happen step by step, and why most people will never see it coming. Now the reset begins. Banks will adjust numbers digitally. Millions won't notice until their account balances shrink overnight. This is silent, but catastrophic. Ordinary citizens relying only on cash or traditional savings will face the brunt. The wealthy, with diversified assets, will hardly notice. The gap widens faster than ever. Here's the secret: some insiders have been quietly converting fiat to digital and precious metals for months. They know what's coming and act before the public realizes. Bitcoin and selected cryptocurrencies could surge overnight. If you're already invested, it may feel like a windfall. But if not, you risk losing buying power fast. Gold, too, will revalue quietly. Its real market value is revealed, making paper money look weaker instantly. This has happened in history, just on a smaller scale. Most people will wake up one day to find their savings diminished. But those who diversified with gold and crypto will emerge stronger, almost untouchable.